Is Flux.1 really a game changer? A direct competitor to Midjourney, and in some cases, even better? Let's find out how this free, open-source AI tool stacks up. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 free ways to use Flux.1 and how it works. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Flux.1, developed by the Black Forest Lab, is turning heads in the AI world. Known for its photorealistic image generation and precise text integration, it's quickly becoming a Midjourney rival. The best part? It's totally free but limited in open source. Flux.1 comes in 3 models: Flux.1, the basic version; Flux.dev, more advanced; Flux Pro, their flagship model. Let's explore 3 free ways to try out these models. The first method is through Hugging Face. On the Flux page, you'll find 2 models, Flux.1 and Flux.dev. For this test, I used a prompt to generate an image of Captain America in a dramatic action pose. Input your prompt, adjust settings like aspect ratio and steps, and hit generate. It's super simple, though options are limited, making it great for quick experiments. Here's how it turned out. Next, we have SeaArt, is an online free AI image generator, and we can find a lot of different Stable Diffusion models here. You can find the LoRa training model and templates workflows, and previously this was working on the Stable Diffusion, but recently they have added Flux.1 to their models, and we're going to try this out. I used a prompt for photorealistic of Chris Evans as Captain America holding his shield on a futuristic battlefield. Just enter your prompt, tweak the settings, and generate stunning images. I was blown away by the detail, way better than Stable Diffusion. Let's try another one. Captain America holding a banner saying like and subscribe, likeness perfectly captured with no typos or awkward positioning. For a free tool, it holds its ground. The third method is using Glif. Click on the build button and select the plus icon. You can see options for text input models, image input models, and multitask text generations. It's not only limited to image generators, you can also use text-based models like ChatGPT. From here, select the image generator and you'll see options including Stable Diffusion, DALL-E 3, Controlism, Flux Pro, Flux.dev, and Flux.1. It's great that they are offering their top-tier model Flux Pro for free. For instance, I created an image of Captain America riding in a black sports car using Flux Pro on Glif. Choose your settings, and generate. Flux Pro on Glif is another freebie that's too good to pass up. So, is Flux.1 worth trying? Absolutely! For a free tool but limited, it offers high-quality results and flexibility. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Try it out using the links in the description, and let me know in the comments how it worked for you.